tragic incident, at least 23 people were killed and 6 others sustained grievous injuries in a massive explosion at a private firecracker manufacturing unit in Tamil Nadu on Sunday. According to police, the blast occurred at the Vanacha fireworks factory owned by Muthumanikam in Katanarpatti near Virudunagar under the Vachakarapatti police station limits. Officials said more than 100 workers were present in the factory complex at the time of the explosion. Authorities said the blast is suspected to have originated in the front of veranda area, where workers were reportedly handling raw materials and carrying out finishing work on firecrackers. The impact of the explosion was extremely powerful, shattering at least 3 rooms and completely leveling several adjacent structures. Police said at least 23 people were burnt to death in the incident. 6 others sustained severe injuries, of whom 4 are reported to be in critical condition. The injured have been admitted to Virudunagar Government Medical College Hospital for treatment. Officials further stated that 3 of the injured are women who suffered up to 60% burn injuries. Preliminary findings revealed that the unit had obtained a license from the Petroleum and Explosive Safety Organization in Nagpur. However, authorities said the exact cause of the explosion is yet to be determined. Fire and rescue personnel battled the blaze for several hours, with rescue operations severely hampered as firecrackers continued to explode long after the initial blast. Authorities also fear that more workers may still be trapped under the debris. Officials described the incident as the deadliest industrial accident reported in the region so far this year.